Hi, have you ever entered an art contest paying a considerable fee? I have numerous times. It's a very profitable model disguised as great help or wonderful marketing idea for artists, but it's not. Here's why. My name is Veronica Winters, and I am a practicing artist, and I have entered art contests numerous times. At the end of this video, I'll share what contests are good to apply to, so watch till the end. Before you pay another $50 entry fee for an art contest, you need to hear this math. Major magazine art contests collect between 120,000 to 700,000 every single year purely from artist submission fees. And here's modest submissions estimate. 1,000 artists who enter the contest pay $40 in fees on average, and so the company collects around 40,000 in gross revenue. So think about this way. If they receive 3,000 submissions times by $40, the company receives 120,000 in gross revenue. Not bad, don't you think? Now let's look at the win rate. In major competitions, your chance of making the shortlist is under 0.5%. Your chance of winning top prize money, it's about less than 1%. It's one win in 500 artists. While winning in top art contests grants prestige and feature placement, the statistical win rate for top prizes is often under 1% relative to the total submission pool. Who is really winning in such competitions? Not you, not me. It's much worse if it's a physical show. You spend a lot of money in shipping costs because you are responsible for it. Vanity gallery shows give you zero exposure to art collector base. Don't do it. So if you just start out and want to build your resume as an artist, it is your best option to apply to free art contests, submissions, and or maybe contests that have minimal fees. Of course, there is a chance you could win something, but the chance is super low. Spend those money on art supplies, on best framing you can afford, on your studio costs, instead of paying those exuberant fees that just make you feel horrible at the end of the day when you get this rejection letter. So what contests are worth your money? Art museums often have calls like for poster art. For instance, I'm on the list of several art museums that keep me sending newsletters, but sometimes they do have open and free calls for artists. And this is a great opportunity where you can actually find the collector base. If you win in a poster contest, you get paid. It's a great opportunity overall. And I think it's unknown for a vast majority of artists. Personally, I won several contests, being on a newsletter of a specific museum. Also, check out Submittable website. It lists a variety of calls. Many of them require a submission fee, but I don't apply to those. I apply to those that are free, to enter, and some magazines and journals even pay for cover art and for art that they print inside the publication. Check out the Syracuse Cultural Workers website. They have free submission policy year round, and they pay for art. It's not much, but it's better to receive some money as opposed to give your money away for nothing. And of course, there is a chance that you win in a contest. I cannot tell you not to participate, but just be mindful of the fact that less than 1% of artists win a prize, and winning money is even harder than being in 1%. So just be mindful of that. I also want to add one more thing about the magazines. Their business model is based on charging fees for artists, and it's rare when you win. And I have to tell, I've applied maybe 2 or 3 times paying the fee, and but most of the time I didn't pay a fee to be in the magazine, and I have numerous publications. And I also must tell you that no art collector came to me from those magazine publications. So it depends. Maybe other artists do get inquiries, but it wasn't the case for me. I think it's still very important to get your art out, and magazines and journals is just one of the ways of doing it. But I think if you are great at social media, do more of that. I've seen artists who do really well with the social media. So you need to discover your own unique way where you don't struggle, but instead you find yourself, you enjoy it, and it works well for you. Share your ideas, how you introduce your art to public, and I wish you lots of success. You can also check another video of mine where I share my experience shipping art. It's not cheap, and it could be very frustrating. And at the same time, if you ship your art to professional art gallery, it's a totally different experience. So again, check it out and be mindful of your opportunities and drawbacks. Thank you so much for watching. Check out veronicasart.com for art and project ideas. I wish you all the best. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section of the video. Take care. Bye-bye. Do you care to share your story? Leave it in the comments below.